This is the demo for the shell catcher made by LPG Works for the Beretta A400 Xtreme Unico. To install the shell catcher, you want to make sure the bolt is locked to the rear. There is a hole below the bolt release that the shell catcher index is on. To install the shell catcher, you want to hook it over the ejection port and then over the loading port, and it should snap in place like so. To load around, you want to load it brass first through the opening in front of the shell catcher into the ejection port. And I will do a two-shot demo to show how it works. To remove the hull, go ahead and pull it forward and out of the ejection port. And to uninstall the shell catcher, simply pull up and remove it from the gun. These are now available on the website at lpgworks.com. Thank you for watching.